name is Dex from myconsult, and today we're looking at one of the questions that our client recently asked us. So what they asked us is, how can we set the system to show the last purchase price whenever we generate a new purchase invoice? So the first thing you need to do is you need to come here to Tools, come here to Options, right? Then come here to Invoicing, and here come to Auto Price. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is here, we need to tick this as Use Last Purchase Price or Cash Purchase Price. Alright, so of course if you leave it here, this will be still following the rule of price book first, then only this. But if you want this to be your priority, we need to click it, go up. Alright, like this. Alright, okay, once we're done, we just press OK, and let's create a new purchase invoice. So come here, come to Purchase Invoice. So let's say we create a new purchase invoice. So let's say we type OB004, right? So we press plus and we select this item called new, right? Okay, so now the price here is $22.50. So let's say we want to change the price to $22.20, all right? And once we're done, we just make sure we key in a DO number, invoice, we save this, right? Done. All right. So let's say, for example, the next day you want to come in and say, okay, I want to create a new purchase invoice. So we come here to Purchase Invoice again. So we come here to select OB004. We press plus again. We press new. Alright. So if you look straight away, the price has gone into $22.20. Also, you just need to note that because I'm using the same supplier, the price will be following that particular supplier. But let's say, for example, let's close this one. Let's remove this. Minus. Alright, and we select another supplier. Press as per, we press plus. Here we select new. If you look at it, the price is becoming following the item price. Alright, it will not follow my last purchase price from the other supplier. Right, so this is actually how easy it is to actually manage the purchase pricing in AutoCount. Please note that this is also applicable if you want to do it for your sales as well. Thanks for watching this, and if you like to be notified when we release new guides, please click the like and subscribe button. Thanks!